Good morning students, myself Deena Pujara from Sri Swaminarayan Institute of Technology, MC Department. Today in Python lecture we will discuss about what do you mean by pickle in Python. First of all, we will understand what is the meaning of pickling. We can say that the pickling means the act of converting object to the stream of bytes. Means whenever we are reading the data from the binary files, and if we want to print that data in our file programs, so for that we want the thing that is work as converting the stream of bytes into the object. So that is known as pickling. So in Python programs, if we want to use a pickle, then what we have to do, we are importing the pickle modules. So pickle is the inbuilt modules that can be work as converting the objects to the stream of bytes. Same way we can also say that unpickling, that is the reverse operations. That means the byte stream is converted back into the object. So pickling and unpickling is the operations through which we are doing the read and the write operations in our Python file programs. So we can also say that pickling is also known as serialization, marshalling and the plattering. Now the pickle method that has the dump functions that is used to serialize an object hierarchy. That means if we want to read the data from the binary files, so for that we are using the dump functions. Similar for the deserializations of the data streams, we are using the load functions. And we can also pick up the objects in the Python file by using the integers, strings, tuples, list and the dictionary. Now let us understand the pickling of a dictionary object and writing into the file by using the pickle module. For that, let us understand the one program. So our idea is clear. This is the program in which what I am doing, I am pickling the dictionary object, means whatever is the data that we want to store in our program, that we have to first of all store into the dictionary object, and after that we have to write down into the files. So how can we do that? So first of all, in our programs we are importing the pickle modules. Now it is better that we will understand it with the help of the programs. So for that, what I am doing, I am making programs in our Python, ideally going into file, make the programs, pickle programs, let us understand this with the help of the example. First of all, import the module pickle. So here I am writing import pickle. Now we can also create the dictionary, list, anything that we have to store in the Python data type. and then we have to load into the file by using pickle. So first of all I am creating the dictionary. Suppose here I am creating phone book. So this is my phone book dictionary. In that I am giving the data. Suppose first is Deepak. Now this is my key and I want to give the value of Deepak to any numbers. So here I am making the dictionary of 3 numbers. So here I am entering the 3 numbers: Deepak phone number, Saksham's phone number, and John's phone numbers. Okay, now I am opening the files. Here for that I am taking the outFile object equal to open and into the brackets I am opening the file open in D drive phonebook.dat is there. Here I am write down the WB. WB, that means write into the binary forms. Now I want to serialize the object and writing into the files. How can we do that? So for that what I am doing, I am just writing into that pickle. So pickle is my module. In that dot dump is the method. So dump is the method through which we are making the serializations between the binary files and the object. Now which object that I want to write down? So here I want to write down the object phone book. So that's why here I am writing phone book. Now in which particular file that I want to write down? So here is my out file is the object. So out file. So here you can see that in the pickle.dump we are passing 2 arguments. First is the object that we want to write down, and out file is the file in which I want to do the write operations. And here I am opening the file into the write operations and into the binary. Now if we are doing that, then what happens? That particular object is write down into the files. Now we are opening the file, out file open, but instead of write mode we are doing the read operations. Okay, so once it done, opening the files and read the contents while true. Here I want to fetch the records from the files. So here what I am giving, record is equal to, for reading the contents from the files, here I am giving picking dot load. So pickle dot load is the method through which we are reading the data from the file. We are reading the data, and for that here which particular object that I am creating, that is out file. So that's why I'm here I'm giving pickle dot load out file. I want to print that records, so that's why I'm giving means whatever is the data that is come into the record file. If during the execution of the programs, if any exception is raised, that we will catch it into the except. Is there any error, then what we have to do? We have to pass it. After completion of the programs, I want to close my file. So out file dot close. So now save the programs. Here I am saving my programs. Do the revisions, import pickle, so that we are pickle module that we have to import in our programs. Here I am making the one dictionary object. In the out file object we are opening the file, we are doing the write operations. For doing the write operations into the files, what I have to write down? I have to write down the pickle.dump. In the dump arguments, I am passing the two arguments, the particular object and the file. After that, I want to read the data from the file. So here what I am giving? I am giving the read operations into the binary files. In the try and the excepts, what I will do? We have to write down the code through which we are reading the data till the object is reaching at the end of the files. Now save our files and then click on run modules. So after save our programs, so here you can see that in our programs I am passing the dictionary value, Deepak phone number, Saksham and his phone number, and John and his phone number. So here we will see by using pickle how can we do the read and write operations in binary files. So by using the dump and the load method, we are retrieving the data in the binary files. So all the students implement this program and do the practice for the binary files. If you are having any query or any problem, you can send me the message, okay, and you can also raise your query in our YouTube SSIT channel, SSIT Gandhinagar. Goodbye, take care.